grab them both. Let's put the swing on right. Thank you, and enjoy your ride.
Flying swings on ride POV.
Gonna have a great breeze up there. Also, take a look off to the north. And everybody's gonna have a great view of Lake Erie. We have airplanes. All right, a lot of airplanes flying right now. We have our birds flying. All right, look at our airplanes and birds flying. And everybody's getting into it and having fun today. Getting all kinds of birds now. Right here in the circle is being a bird in space now. That's a lot of fun right there. Look at all our birds and airplanes flying. And hope they don't collide with each other. It's a little difficult to please learn how to put this way. Thank you. Our airplanes are flying. All right, that's what we like to see. Makes a complete stop. For your safety, please remain in your seat until the ride lowers all the way down and makes a complete stop. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day here at Waldameer Park. Also, do not forget your loose articles. Do not let you change the bars yet, please. We have one more light bulb to go. Yes, it does work that way. Few more seconds. You may now exit.
Thank you for watching. Elevators are amazing. Bye.